Hello, today we will guide you through how to remove files from a project in Claude AI. To begin, open Claude in your web browser. This will take you to the main workspace, where you can access chats, tools, and any projects you've already created. If you're not already signed in, make sure you complete that first so you can see your saved content. Once you're inside Claude, look to the left side of the screen and find the Projects section. This is where Claude groups files, conversations, and related materials together, making it easier to stay organized when working on different tasks. Click on Projects to open the list of available project spaces. Next, select the project you want to manage. When you click into a project, you'll be taken to that project's dedicated page where its files and other resources are stored. Take a moment to confirm that you've opened the correct project before removing anything, especially if you work with several projects that may have similar names or related files. Inside the project, locate the Files area. To choose files for removal, move your cursor over the files you want to delete. As you hover over them, you should see the option to place a check mark on each file. Go ahead and check the files you no longer need in that project. If you're removing multiple files, it can help to pause briefly and review your selections so you don't accidentally remove the wrong ones. After selecting the files, look for the trash bin icon. Click the trash bin to remove the selected files from the project. This is the action that clears them out of that project's file list, so be sure your selections are correct before you click. And that's it. The files you selected should now be removed from the project. If you don't see the change immediately, give the page a moment to refresh or visually confirm that the files are no longer listed. As a quick tip, it's a good idea to review project files from time to time and remove anything outdated or unnecessary. Keeping your project clean can make it easier to find the materials you actually need and helps reduce clutter while you work. Thank you for following along. You now know how to remove files from a project in Claude AI.